Hi friends, my name is Jess Marcoya and this is New Flora, an online store and a resource to help women build a calm wardrobe that they'll want to hold on to. So today we'll be talking about wardrobe planning and how the same principles that apply to meal planning, they can also apply to wardrobe building. Each outfit is a recipe and you just need a handful of recipes to have great style. So I'm going to walk you through that, but first, can you please press that like button? It really helps us get this video into more hands, and we want to help as many women as possible and alleviate a little bit of that overwhelm. All right, let's get started. So like I said, the same principles that apply to meal planning can apply to wardrobe building, and each outfit is a recipe, and you just need a handful of those recipes to have great style. So first, let's talk about quickly how to cook and meal plan, and then we'll go into how to apply those same principles to your wardrobe. You ready? When you're cooking a great meal, you first find the meal that you want to create, right? You look at ingredients that you need to cook, or you look up the ingredients that you need to cook that meal, and you buy the ingredients. You make it, you perfect it by practicing. And when you're planning out meals for an entire week, you choose 7 meals, 1 for each day, and you go to the store and you buy all the ingredients that you need to make those meals. And hopefully some of those ingredients overlap so you can repurpose them, like getting a big thing of chicken and you can make a bunch of meals out of that chicken. So there are chefs that can throw ingredients in a pot and the most amazing dishes come out from it, and that's not me. But we assume sometimes that those skills are natural, but really those chefs, they've spent years and years practicing their art, and at the beginning they followed recipes very closely until they became second nature. And the same is true of a woman with great style. So most women have to work at it. It takes time and it takes planning, but it can become second nature if you follow a plan and practice putting outfits together. So each outfit is a recipe, and you just need to get good at a handful of those recipes to have great style, okay? So here's how we outfit meal plan, and I'm so excited to walk you through this. But first, let's pick out 7 outfits that you absolutely love. Outfits that you would love to rewear and won't grow tired of them quickly. And we created a whole video, I think it's a couple before this, but how do you purge your wardrobe and finding your style, and you can check that out in the link below. But I mentioned in that video that Pinterest is a great place to find outfit inspiration. So you find 7 outfits that you would love to rewear, because I don't know about you, but you don't need a ton of outfits. You just need a few, and we need to stop thinking that we can't rewear clothes, because nobody's really waiting to see if you rewear something. That's what the fashion industry wants you to believe, and for you to rotate through your clothes more quickly, because that makes more sales. So slow down, enjoy your clothes, and when you're finding outfits, bonus points if you find outfits that you can repurpose pieces, like 2 outfits that can use a white shirt, 4 outfits that use the same shoes, 2 outfits that require the same pants, and that will save you a lot of money. Okay, so you've picked out your 7 outfits. Now you study them. What do you see? Maybe it's 1 white shirt, 1 pair of light wash boyfriend jeans on that outfit with a gray cardigan. And another outfit is 1 pair of black pants, 1 button down, 1 pair of leather shoes. What do you see? And next, you get out paper and you write a list, just like in meal planning. Take out your paper and pen and start your shopping list. And then this part is you shop intentionally. Slowly choose the right pieces you need to create those outfits. Put your blinders on if you have to, and just purchase the pieces that you need. This takes you being proactive and maybe guarding your heart a little bit against that feeling that you need what the stores are telling you. Maybe this could also mean that you take off the sales notifications on your phone from online stores, or bring a friend with you when you shop to keep you accountable. And if you're careful, then you won't fill your closet with a lot of fluff that doesn't even go together, okay? So you've got your outfit recipes, you got those planned out, you bought the ingredients. Next, let's get out a weekly planner. And we've made one for you that's specifically designed for outfit planning, and I'll put that also in the link below for you to snag. But on your planner, Write down which outfits you're gonna wear on which day, like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just like meal planning. And you can even, this might sound weird, but you can even print out pictures of each recipe and hang them up in your closet for reference. And the last part that I want to go through is just enjoy your clothes. Don't get sucked back into purchasing reactively. Choose gratitude instead of comparison. And remember why you love those pieces in the first place. You chose them, so why did you choose them? And once you get a good hang on those 7 outfit recipes, you can try adding 7 more to your outfit cookbook. Get those down and just rotate through them. And eventually, if you do that, outfit building will become second nature, and you won't even need to look at the recipes, just like those chefs, okay? Easy peasy. Well, friends, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot, and if you like this video and you'd like to see more, you can subscribe below, and please hit that like button to get this video into more hands. And we would love to hear from you. So talk to us in the comments, or you can follow us on Instagram at New Flora Clothes, or check out our website at newflora.com. Again, I'm Jess, and I can't wait to see you next time.